Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we will discuss a very relevant topic, especially in the context of stabilization power outages in Ukraine. This information will be useful for owners of uninterruptible power supplies, UPS, that require calibration of batteries of different ages and capacities. I have a UPS from the APC Smart-UPS 2200 XL brand with an operating voltage of 48 volts and a power of up to 2 kilowatts, with the possibility of battery expansion. And after connecting another battery pack, the UPS electronics do not understand the capacity connected to it. To ensure the UPS works properly with batteries of any capacity, it needs to be calibrated according to the connected batteries. This device can be calibrated in two ways: using the original software or manually, which is more accurate. For those interested in such information, I suggest subscribing to the channel and giving it a like. And specifically for you, I will further explain how to calibrate the APC Smart-UPS 2200 XL uninterruptible power supply with an operating voltage of 48 volts and a power of up to 2 kilowatts, with the possibility of battery expansion. Calibrating batteries is very simple. You need to connect a load to the UPS with a power of no more than 30 to 35% of the UPS's power and discharge the batteries to zero. That is, until the UPS protection against low voltage is triggered and it turns off. After that, wait for the batteries to be fully charged by the UPS's charging module to the voltage recommended by the manufacturer, namely 14.4 volts for each battery. This will provide the UPS software with information about the capacity of the connected batteries, regardless of the technology used to manufacture them. This UPS is specifically designed to work with batteries manufactured using AGM or gel technology. To ensure the UPS can correctly work with batteries of different chemistries, some changes need to be made to the resistor values in the circuits controlling the charging module voltage. Someone might comment, "What nonsense are you recommending, as it is safe to discharge 12-volt batteries no lower than 12 volts?" and so on. And that is indeed true, but this is not about preserving the maximum potential of the batteries, but about the UPS device itself, for which the batteries are by default a consumable item. This is evident from the minimum voltage at which the UPS turns off. More details about this can only be found by subscribers of this channel, and there are also many videos about relatively cheap options for providing your homes with electricity during outages, which are becoming increasingly frequent. And Ukraine will endure and win. Let the Ukrainian language YouTube flourish. Glory to Ukraine. See you in new videos.